Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is me showing you Nowsite's, well, basically how to use Nowsite's newest add-on or their perk, their Nowsite Reward. I'm going to show you how you can actually earn travel dollars and earn money towards travel, whether it's actual airplane tickets, hotels, renting Airbnb stuff, even renting cars. I'm going to show you guys how to accumulate that money in your back office, and as well as how you can use it to, or just how to gain more than what you can get. So, all right, we're going to dive right into this one. And as you can see, I'm in my Nowsite back office, Nowsite Marketing back office, because there's actually multiple Nowsite Marketing. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to where it says Rewards. So you click on Rewards. As you can see, I have $110. And I'm going to show you what the rewards you can get and everything like that. But I'm going to also show you how you can actually get more money towards your rewards. So you can actually see it says Nowsite Rewards. My reward balance is 110. I'm about to max that out because today is actually the last day. It carries over. It doesn't like reset, but just carries over. So that's a great thing about that, when you don't lose your rewards unless you use it. So you have hotels reservations, home and condos, and car rentals. You pick dates and everything like that. You can actually type in where you want the destination. So as it says right here, use Nowsite Marketing to grow your business online, and using Nowsite's incredible marketing platform, as we are doing right here. Earn rewards dollars. Receive $1 reward for every new lead. You get paid for getting new leads. You know what you're supposed to do. New lead, new team member. So when you bring people on, you also get rewards. Like say you refer Nowsite Marketing to somebody else. You actually earn reward points for doing that. On top of that, on top of everything else that you get too, like the compensation. So you get that, and every time you do your 3-click marketing. So your 3-click marketing, you can refer to my other videos about that one. We've been over that plenty of times. Great way for social marketing to gain leads, to get engagement for your business, etc., etc. Good stuff. So you actually get reward points for that. You can earn enough rewards to cover your entire monthly subscription. So what that means is, because that can be people say, "Oh, well, can I use my reward points to pay for my my subscription?" No, you cannot. But you actually say, for instance, I have a higher plan because I'm grandfathered in. It was a plan called the Small Business that's not available anymore. So the highest you can get right now for new customers, unless you're grandfathered in, is $87. You'll get that off the bat. But here's the thing. You actually can earn additional $87, because if you're on that subscription plan, by doing these features and also some other things I'm going to show you as well. So if you're on a $47 starter plan, you only can earn $47. You get that off the bat. Just for having a subscription, you get $47 of Nowsite reward dollars. Say vice versa with the 87 subscription plan, the entrepreneur plan. You get $87 off the top just for that in reward points, reward dollars, just for having that subscription, an active subscription. That's great right there. Then you can actually redeem for travel. Use your rewards for huge savings and thousands of top hotels, car rentals, condos, and more. So it's just nice, and it's just, I've used platforms like this before in the past, and it's been very beneficial. So guys, I mean, to be able to have this all in one spot and actually be able to have this for getting points and for doing what you're doing already, and not necessarily just for not having to pay for it extra. It comes included with your subscription, is also amazing. So these are some of the hotels that they use. But yeah, I mean, it's great. It says now, as a Nowsite subscriber, you now have access to some of the best hotels and travel offers on the planet. Imagine go where you want, when you want, anytime you want. Stay in 5-star luxuries on a 3-star budget with Nowsite Rewards. That's awesome. So we're gonna go back. Yeah, that's just homes and condos, car rentals. Like you see how they actually, these are the people they partner with. So it's great. Just put your information in. You can pick up for airports or local locations. So it's just, it's very convenient. So we're gonna go back. Let's go back to Nowsite. Boom, right here. Awesome. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to get additional points, dollars, Nowsite reward dollars on top of what you already get. So like, as you can see, I have $110. I actually have a plan that I'm paying what is it, 160 something. So I'm going to show you guys how it actually adds right here. Watch this. So I'm going to go to support. So this is for training. You actually get points and dollars for training. So let's do something that I have not done. I don't want to log out. No change password. No, I don't do online ads. I want to do something. Let's see if it'll work for just something general. All right, let's go with how to redeem rewards. Let's try that one. Here we go. You see this right here? It gives you step by step. So the training is awesome. It's very simple. Helps you out direct. It's to the point. This is the walkthrough training. You actually get support too. You can actually contact Nowsite down here by clicking on this, and you can schedule time for people to help you technical support, commission support, training, and resources. So they have more support than you know. Live chat support and video conferencing call support too. So here you can see the rewards you have generated. Click here to redeem, to view the redemption option. Watch this. There we go already. You saw that little thing up there? It says, I'll do it again because it took me to that site again. But I'm going to show you guys again. Now I have $111. I was at 110. Now I have 111. I don't want that one. All right, cool. So here we go. Support. Here we go. Website. How to share a URL website. I'll click on this. Click on websites. You see, it's telling me a straight tutorial on how to do it. Click on websites. Go right here. Here is the your website, your URL for your website. Hit done. Look at that. Tells me right there. Just copy and paste that website, and that's telling me what to share. You see up there where it says earn right here. Earn $1. You earn $1 in Nowsite rewards for completing the walkthrough. Now I have 112. I was at 111. Now I have 112. Very simple. Now I'm going to do that for the rest of, keep on doing that just to learn how to use the system. I know how to use the system already, but it's a great tool. It's great for people who want to learn more and get more out of their Nowsite marketing system and be able to even optimize more of their online marketing for their brand or business. So that's a great, it's just such a great incentive to be able to earn reward points and be able to, by just learning. So you're getting dollars for reward dollars for doing what you're supposed to do already. I mean, it's a no-brainer right there to get basically free travel for marketing your business or brand online. It is amazing. I love it. So that's how you actually earn Nowsite reward dollars and be able to capitalize on the most you can get. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this, and hopefully you got some good value from this one. And if you did, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell, and anytime I put out a new video or any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video and you like this last one. So you may want to check out this one because, hey, you might like this one too. So with that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop those in the comment below, or hit me on my cell phone. My number is in the description below as well. And that's my direct cell phone. And you'll either call or text, either or, doesn't matter, whatever you feel comfortable with. So until the next one, guys, you guys take care. be safe and be blessed.